was bound. It's fine. On to the next, dude. On to the next. OMG, Kreek is pregnant. Start announcing. I've been announcing the whole time. What do you mean? Next announcement is in about 5 minutes here. All right, and boom. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, whoa.
By Robbie.
Okay, let's see what this is. What in the world is going on here? Okay. I'm seeing a lot of blue on this map. Got a lot of blue going on. What's up, Devin Games? Thank you very much, dude. Lots of blue going on here. Okay. All right. Kind of like an underwater facility, maybe. Maybe that's what's going on. Let me get this ready here. Let me get the float ready so you guys can really see what's going on here. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. All right. Yo, what's up, Greg? Thank you so much, dude. I'm gonna. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna actually have to move the green screen in order for you guys to see this. It's gonna be crazy. All right, what's up? Amber Animations, I see there in the chat. Yo, Devon. Okay, there's blue. There's nothing there. This is a lab, isn't it?
Channel.
I think this is a lab. Pretty sure it is. All right, so blue, red. This is a big map. Good lord. All right, we got carrots. This is a big map. Good lord. All right, we got carrots. Just a carrot. Okay.
It's Ben again. I you will
just a carrot.
Me, but I donated
Yo, what's up, Ben?
Days ago and it was my first donation. I just wanted to let you know that I have a football tour. And just wanted to let you know that I will win it for you.
Well, thank you. Go for it, dude. You got it.
Kreek Craft, what was
thank you
your
very much. My favorite egg hunt. Go for it, dude. You got it.
Kreek Craft, what was
thank you
your
very much. My favorite egg hunt. I don't think you really need to ask that question. I think everybody knows my favorite egg hunt. Okay, let me grab blue. Oh, go. Yeah, I think everybody knows my favorite egg hunt there. All right, do we have the blue key? Where is this going? That's the wrong blue key. I got the key card, not the blue key. Let's see what we got going on here. Blue key, blue key, blue key. That's the orange key, not key card. Just key. Okay. Yo, suss me out. Leave it the $2. I appreciate it. No. Oh, soldier almost got me. Almost got me there. Can I fall through that? I can't. All right, blue key out here, maybe? No, I don't see anything out here. It's got to be in here. Maybe there isn't a blue key. Maybe it's this way. Let me get it. Let me go this way. Let's see. Maybe it's over here. Maybe I just missed something. No. Yeah, I don't see a blue key card. Okay. I don't see. Is this it?
Kreek Craft's favorite egg hunt is 2020 since it's the best.
No, it's not 2020. That's the wrong one there, Chiseled. That's the wrong one, buddy. Do we have the hammer still? Let me grab the hammer. I'm gonna get got by the soldier, dude. I know it. I know it. All right, hammer. There we go. Here's yellow.
Sweet, it will work this time.
Here's yellow. Where does yellow go, though? Not over there. Is this yellow? Yeah, that was yellow. That's also yellow. That's also yellow. Lots of yellow. I'm gonna get got by the soldiers, dude. There's so many. Good lord. All right, there's Mr. P in a holding cell. I'm gonna keep him down there. This is crazy. All right, I need the fire extinguisher. Let me go put out the fire. I think it was... yeah. There it goes. Soldier got me. That was so many, dude.